Alright guys, so today we're going to unbox the Google Pixel Watch. So I bought this Pixel Watch because it works perfectly with my Pixel 6 Pro right here. And I like this phone, I love it, but yeah, I need something that I can wear to the gym, all this stuff like that. I pre-ordered this thing actually here in Australia. I got this Pixel Watch with a champagne color. I've got the non-LTE model because that's the cheapest. I don't use LTE anyways because here in Australia, if you use the LTE, you have to pay extra $5 for to access the LTE features, which I don't want to pay. Alright, so there you go. That's the device. That's on the side. That's on the back. Don't know if you can read that. And that's on the other side, whereas by Google. Alright, and that's at the bottom, and that's at the top. Alright, let me just compare it to the watch that I use daily. Just give me a sec. This is the watch that I use daily. It's a Xiaomi Mi Band 5. I like this watch actually. You know what? Has heart tracking and what do you call it? It's made from OLED. The screen is bright and nice, and yeah, overall I like this watch. It's just that it doesn't have the other features that this watch has, and better sleep tracking probably on this one. This one doesn't have that good sleep tracking, or at all actually. I've never really used the sleep tracking on this one. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up. So you just peel this sticker, I guess. Oh no, you don't even have to peel, you can just put it aside. Google, get your stuff right, man. Alright, let me peel this one. This one's already peeled. Open that, and that is the watch. So you got nothing in there. It's absolutely nothing. Even if you try to pull that up, nothing. That's the watch right there. Whew, that's glossy. Alright, and that's I'll put that aside. Let's look at what's inside here. There's nothing, I don't know what that is. Nope, that's just a latch, I guess. I don't know. In the box there's nothing. There's some padding on the side, but nothing. That's the instruction. Yeah, that's instruction, alright. It's the warranty, I guess. Yeah, that's the warranty. I'm gonna put it back into the box, including all these stickers and whatever, just to unclutter my desk. And that's the watch. Alright, so let's open this one up. Open that. Open that. Ooh, that's heavy. Yeah, that's got some heft in it. Let's look at the watch first. So, oh, and that's the champagne. I don't know, you can't see the champagne using this phone that I'm using, because I'm using the Pixel 2 XL phone for this review, for this unboxing actually. Not going to do a review. Maybe I will, depends on how many likes I get in this video. But anyways, so that's the puck right there. Mind you, that's a different puck. That's not the puck that is here. Oh, and you get extra band over here, which is nice. I have very small hands, so I might need that one. Let's open this one up. Let's open like that. That's the band. Let's open that. It's a sticker there. Then open that. It's contraption here. Let's just pull. No, I can't even pull that one off because. Oh, there you go. Okay, this one has it again. Jesus Christ, how hard is it? Oh, there you go. Alright, so... Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna put that there, and then close it. There you go, finally. Alright, so this puck right here, it's very light. Very, very light. It got USB-C to the puck. Don't know if it's gonna work with my Pixel Stand 2 or not. Gotta test it out. Let me know in the comment if you need more review about that. You know, how's my daily usage. I like this band lock mechanism. But yeah, that's my overall review of this, unboxing of this Pixel Watch. Stay tuned.